Hello, my name is Trikush Mehta and I'm a resident of Ludhiana. I gave my IELTS exam a few months back. I have done my BTech in electronics and computer engineering, and I'm currently a working professional as a software engineer, and I'm planning to move to Australia for my further studies. I took IELTS because first and foremost is that it is a very popular test, and most of the universities prefer IELTS as their basic eligibility criteria. And the second is that it is a very easy and more organized form of testing system that I found very easy to prepare. एग्ज़ाम देने से पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि भाई आइल्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल एग्ज़ाम है, बिकॉज लुधियाना में इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड अ वेरी बिग एग्ज़ाम. But after going through the process of preparation and actually giving the test, I found that the test is very easy and it is just like any other test that we used to give in the school. My overall score was 8, and I scored band 9 in reading, 8 in listening, 7.5 in speaking and 7 in writing. So I prepared on my own. I didn't get any coaching. There is ton of material available on the internet for free that we can use to actually prepare for the test. And apart from that, we also get a booklet from from IDP that we can use to give the mock test and be comfortable with the format of the test. When you get to the actual preparation, there is ton of material available on YouTube. There is an actual 10-hour course on YouTube for free that you can use for your preparation. After you are done with all the courses, you should shift to the mock test. So I spent around 7 days for my mock test. I used to give 2 to 3 mock tests every day, which actually helped me getting comfortable in giving the test and during the test day. एक बहुत ही important tip ये है कि if you are comfortable in using a computer, then you should always go for a computer delivered test, because उसमें क्या होता है कि they offer you many features that can actually help you score better. एक बहुत ही छोटा सा example is कि when you are appearing for your writing module, they actually show you the word counter. So you don't have to actually count the words and it saves some time. Apart from that, in reading section, जो navigation होती है, that is very smooth through all the passages. As compared to the written exam, because the paper based exam, because उसमें क्या होता है that you have to actually turn the pages to see the questions first and then to the answers, and that actually wastes a lot of time. And उसके अलावा the test itself is very easy, and added the advantage of the computer based features, it actually helps you score better. I would suggest कि you should practice on a computer itself, so that you actually can improve on your typing speed for the written module as well as appearing for the reading and listening modules also. One more tip related to it is keep a track of your scores for the mock test. So whenever you do a mock test, you write your score against that and prepare an Excel sheet for it, so that you can know that yes, I am doing better than before. Important tip is to always maintain your focus when appearing for the listening module, because once you lose your focus, you can actually skip the next 3 or 4 questions, and that will not play on your part. Writing में first of all, आपकी typing speed should be decent enough to finish 2 questions in that module. And उसके अलावा you should have a proper structure of your written portions, because उसमें क्या होता है कि if you are writing anything without any proper structure, it affects your total band. And you should have a good vocabulary, and for that you have to focus on your reading before the exam. So you should read a lot, you should read novels or newspapers, so that you have a good vocabulary that you can use in your test. Now moving on to the speaking portion, speaking it is a bit difficult to practice, because written and reading and listening you have to practice on your own, but speaking you need someone to evaluate you. So one thing you can do is you can stand in front of the mirror and speak to yourself, so that you can get real time feedback. उसके अलावा you can talk to your friend, they can take your mock interviews, so that they can give you the real-time feedback and you can improve gradually. Mistakes that candidates should avoid. One can be that before spending a lot of money on coaching centers, you should first get acquainted with the format of the test first and see for yourself if you can prepare on your own. Because there is a lot of free content online available that you can use to help yourself. The second mistake that people make is they consider it as a very big test, which it is not. So I would suggest to maintain your calm and not be nervous, because you can, if I can do it, then you can do it very well. On a final note, I would like to say that IELTS is a very easy exam, and if I can do it and score a band of 8, I'm sure that anyone can do it with a little bit of practice and focus, because it is not a very big test, and anyone can score well in it.